This villainous knot is the Merovingian.
The Merovingian.
Perfect for all you style rebels. Let's tie it all together with number 9 of the top 50 knots. Throw our sunflower tie over your neck with the blade or wide end on the right. Get the length right by making the blade about 7 inches longer than the tip of your right hand. Slow the playback speed if the next steps go too quick. Slide the blade under the tail to create the neck loop. See the neck loop? Start the knot by taking the blade down through the neck loop and to the left. You'll notice the inseam here. Don't worry, you're doing it correctly. Take the blade in front of the knot and then up through the neck loop and down to the left. This fattens the knot. Create the back loop by taking the blade behind the knot and then down through the neck loop. See the back loop here? Finish the knot by taking the blade down through the back loop. Tighten the back loop by pulling down on the blade and up on the right side of the back loop. Cinch the knot by holding the tail and pushing the knot up to your elegantly evil neck. Voila! You're looking rebellious in a perfect Merovingian knot. If you didn't get it tied, rewind and reduce the playback speed. If your tie is too short to cover the button of your trousers, get the length right at the start by making it longer, or shorter if it's too long. If you still have trouble with the tie length, check out our tail ties, which are great for knots with lots of folds. Or throw on a vest to hide the ends. Merovingian is the silk-suited villain in The Matrix Reloaded. This is why this knot is also called the Matrix or Ediety Knot. I love it because it's like my tie is wearing a mini tie. Probably not the right knot for an overly formal job interview, but for the right occasion, this could be perfect. Let me know in the comments if you took the blue or the red pill on this knot.
Now I have some real business to do, so I will say adieu and goodbye.
For my thoughts on the best dressed superhero, check out my video here. And elevate any suit by folding a pocket square with this video here. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you'll remember me next time you need to tie a tie. And as always, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.